scared you?
Yeah. The fire breathing. Just look at her! Okay. BBN Adventures!
Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here. We are at Franke Park, Foellinger Theatre, park number 35. They've got a family circus with Clan Tynker here, so we're going to check out all the stuff. They've got a show, and we're going to have some fun.
Yeah, Franke Park is the biggest park in Fort Wayne. It also includes the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo. We're going to do that in a separate video. But today we're just going to do Franke Park and the theater, and they got a thing going on. So
yeah,
we're going to check it out. And park number 35. Woo!
Woo!
Who's ready?
Me!
All right, here we go. Woo!
Both ways, clear.
Enter. No, you're too big. Oh, that's too big. Yeah, put your shoes up. You up. Oh. There you go.
Wow.
He's super tall.
He's a tall guy. 17, 18. You made it. That monkey held you up, didn't he? Crazy monkey. That's awesome. And you're doing a great job holding still, bud.
Tell me, this one's the mom?
Oh, sorry.
Now, would you hold out this hand this time? Hold it this one? And you get your hand ready. Do you want to hold the mom or do you want to hold the dad?
I will hold the mom.
The mom, okay.
What do you think of your Pokeball?
And then go like that.
Awesome!
Is that awesome? You look like a Pokemaster.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'm going to show you one of my favorite animals.
Face.
Okay, this is my favorite animal. You know what that is?
A rabbit.
That's exactly right. Now, just like the ball, if I take the bunny and I put it inside my hand and then I wave, what does the wave do? Oh,
It disappeared!
half credit and the other half, because it does disappear and it does come back into the pocket. Good job. Now, his name is Sneaky. That's how he does it. And he brought a friend. Let me show you. This is his friend. Can you tell the difference between those two?
The first one's called a rabbit, and the first one's called
A bunny?
rabbit.
They're kind of both the same, but this one, do you see it's a little bigger?
Yeah.
You see that one's a little bigger?
Yeah.
All right, now will you hold one? Will you hold your hand like this? Turn your hand over like this. That one right there? That, perfect. I'm going to put Sneaky into my hand. I'm going to give you his friend, and I want you to hold him really tight. Don't let him out, okay? He's going to try and get away. So here we go. I'll take Sneaky, put him into my hand, give you his friend, so squeeze him, turn him over so he doesn't get out the bottom. I'm going to make Sneaky disappear, then we're going to make his friend disappear. Are you ready? Take a look. Wait a minute. Whoa. How'd you do that? You know what? I think that Sneaky's a troublemaker. Sneaky's a troublemaker. So you know what? Here, would you try it? Hold out your hand. Did you teach her how to do that? You did? I hope not. So here, I'm gonna take Sneaky, put him into my hand, give you his friend, so squeeze him, turn him over. Now for real this time, we're gonna make Sneaky disappear and his friend disappear, okay? Now take a look, his friend's, wait a minute. It's worse.
One, two,
Wait, you know, put your hand in her hand. Now hold it really tight. Don't let him out. Now I'm gonna make the mom and the dad together.
Are those crayons?
Mom and Dad together too.
What?
Yeah, they're pasting.
Oh
More
my.
money, more money, more money, more money.
That happens.
Come over here. I can fill it in.
There we go, and I'll just fill it in a little bit. That'll be easy.
That's
easy
good.
part.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a rainbow. All right, I'll have you look
Face
that way.
painting.
All right, I'm waiting.
You like it?
Oh man, all right.
It looks good. Awesome. What do you say to her?
Thank you. W.
Go blue.
Be here. If you want to see Belle win, let's get a cheer over Belle. Anybody in the house want to see Sir Martin step up and dominate?
Magicians, what's the name that comes to mind? Shout it out. Houdini, that's right. Did you guys ever hear of Houdini before? You did? Excellent. Right here. Can you guys pull it so it's up here? So pull it like you're playing tug of war. Awesome. Perfect. All right, now here we go. I'm going to put my hands in here. And I want you to take one of those locks and put it through right there. Make sure it doesn't come off. Yeah, pull real hard like you're trying to take it off. Okay, it hurts a little bit. It's okay. Now go ahead and pick up the keys and hold them up so people can see them. Perfect. Now go way over there. That way I can't cheat. That's perfect. All right, you guys ready? Now we're gonna try and demonstrate what Houdini did. He got out of his really fast. I'm gonna try and get out faster than Houdini did. Okay? But I'm gonna need this handkerchief. Go ahead and put this right in the middle of you guys. We'll try this out. Okay, now, you guys have played tug of war before, huh? You have. Okay, now, does anybody have a watch on? Like a second hand? Anybody got a second hand watch? You got one. Excellent. All right, we're going to try and get out of this. Oops, sorry, drop that there. Okay. All right, pull tug of war, pull it real tight. All right. I just picked that up. Okay, now, when you're gonna time for me, give me a count every 5 seconds. Just a little bit. Okay, so every 5 seconds for me, okay? All right, you tell me when you're starting. Oh, there, count over there. 5, okay, good, we got 5. Oh, keep dropping that. That's 1. Now the other one, I'm working on it. Keep going. What are we at? 20. 25. 30. That's good. 30. I've been out for a while. I was just seeing how long you were going to count for us. Everybody did a good job counting and holding these in my hand. And you still have the keys, right? Excellent, because I'm going to need that because I have no idea how to get out of these. Will you throw it right here? Perfect. Here, try that again. Right here. Nice. Everybody give one more hand. Thank you. Guys can go ahead and take a seat.
Scary too?
Yeah, the fire is creepy. The fucker! The fucker!
Okay.
Maybe it's edible fire.
Maybe. That could be a thing. What do you got?
I have a rock.
Okay, what are you gonna do with it?
I want to
And what happens if somebody finds your rock?
When he finds it.
Okay, let me see your rock. What does it say? Be awesome.
Be a fan.
Okay, go hide it. What do you got? Okay, gonna find a tree to put it on? Found one right here? This one looks good. You can hide it up there.
Ooh, I like that.
That's neat. Make it stay. All right, we are all finished with number 35, Franke Park. Fun, fun, fun. Camden, what was your favorite part of this big park? Biggest park in Fort Wayne. What was your favorite part, Camden?
Wait for it.
Getting your face painted with
Pokeball.
Your Pokeball.
Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. My favorite is everything.
Your favorite part was everything?
What?
All right. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
The circus show was pretty awesome. Glad they had that at the theater.
Yeah. I'm going to say my favorite part was getting my free henna tattoo. I never had one and it was free. Tons of cool stuff here today for free.
Big.
All for free. So much fun. How cool is that? So thanks to Fort Wayne Parks. It was so awesome.
Yep.
And thank to you for joining us, for watching our video. Thank you so much. And if you want to comment down below, let us know what your favorite part of this video was. We would love to hear from you. Not during the video, okay?
Okay.
Everybody knows that. No candy during the video.
No
It's
candy.
a rule.
The rule.
So like and subscribe and let us know.
Can't have Pokeballs coming off.
Just like and subscribe.
Yeah, why not?
Like and
It's easy.
subscribe. Like our video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below to our
And comment.
channel.
And comment. Let us know
comment.
what's going on. Just say hi.
Talk
We'll say
to
hi
us.
back.
Talk to us.
I know.
Let's say hi. Just
What's
say
wrong?
hi.
What's wrong
sis.
with us? Just say hi.
No.
Nothing's wrong with us.
Why don't people say hi?
Say hi. So Chris doesn't
Hi.
cry. He doesn't cry
I know.
about it.
Don't make me
Daddy.
cry.
Don't make Daddy cry. Say hi. Ooh, that's
No,
it.
that's not peas. It's
All right. 35 done.
All right, so don't forget to hit the bell for notifications on our next video, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Baby Adventures.
We're in it. We're in it. Oh, there's stuff there. There he goes. Comes on. Maybe have Mama hold the water bottle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's pretty steep. You got this? Whoa!
You forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me.
Whoa. I don't know. Daddy doesn't like that.
You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down.
We got steps.
And we get on together. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more.
It's gonna be like a waterfall.
We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. So please forgive
I'm going down the crazy bridge.
my.
Whoa, Camden danger.
But you look so